Oh, yan.
Okay. Baisawan Beach. Yes.
The best.
Very hot.
Very hot. Ito tayo na.
Sige, lakad na. Yan ang Baisawan Beach. In Taiwan. Made in Taiwan only.
White din ha.
Ow. Yan, pauwi na kami. O ba, gusto nyo akong kuhanan, no? Dali na. Eh, Mads, ikaw.
Okay.
Oh. Say hi to your Mrs.
Hello. My wife in Canada. How are you?
Wow!
Hello everybody. I'm here in Taiwan.
Don't worry, my wife. I will follow you whenever you are.
Ah!
Just wait for me there.
Argentina. Oh. Hello. I'm from Taiwan.
Wala.
No comment.
Yes, what can you say about
more
about the
friends
view,
come there.
about
No, in Taiwan.
the happy moments
May kwanti
today?
Share. Shut up.
This is the Baisawan Beach, the beautiful in place,
Like, I'm the beautiful here.
the beautiful place in Taiwan.
Why sama?
Because of the summer today, so we just planned to go in
We're in
Baisawan.
planet Mars.
Oh, ako na ng video sa inyo.
Dali natin yun.
Oh, dito na po dalawang
Uy, lilikod niya.
Hey, my friends.
maging starstruck or sa mga starstruck na nabibigay buhay sa television kagaya ni Mon
Maybe
Dragon
someday we will
and
go back
Mara.
here again because
Oh, English po din ng mga starstruck natin. Dapat yun ang pakinggan ng kanilang mga boses.
Pretty girly na taga.
Oh, nag-singer na rin sa nating starstruck.
Kasama.
Oh, si Mo.
get you.
Yun ang view ng Taiwan Baisawan Beach.
Yes.
In this coming 2010, 11, I miss.
Hello, mami.
When I go on the Philippines, I miss this place. It's a very warm
Tayo na.
experience and more happiness there happening. Okay, this
Dito kami galing. Nasang babaan.
I remember this place 2 times. I mean, naligo dito.
Naligo dito. 2 times naligo dito.
English barak naman.
Nakaka-miss lang ngayon sa Taiwan.
Yan si Toto, the original.
Toto.
Ito si Mada and si Mada.
Pwede na kayo magsalita ng in-check.
Mag-English kayo.
Siyempre kung ano mo may video din.
Ayan na, lulubutin na natin. Yan na, isunod mo na siya.
High tag. The sunset is
No more.
no more, no less, down.
Hello, Mon.
Hi.
With Mon with the beautiful camera. And this is Toto.
The beautiful face.
Yung pinakabata sa lahat.
And me.
The beautiful pizza. Hindi man nakatutok.
And I miss this place, you know, dog. I remember all of these
Ito
moments.
moment in time.
How are you?
Your girlfriend in...
Akala nila artista ka.
Your Taiwan.
Dito tayo.
Taiwan Beach, located at Taipei.
Ano ba sasabi mo sa your wife in
Well,
Canada?
my wife is
Is in Canada.
find her and don't worry about her because I will follow her.
Nakita mo yun na. Isis mo kami yun. Pilipino magkasabi ko yun. Better watch out.
Joanne,
You better.
we love you.
Mon, your comment about
And,
Baisawan Beach.
and
Baisawan
Mama,
Beach is
my wife,
The best
Canada.
among the rest.
Hope you always
Among the rest?
kinder.
In Taiwan mo.
Remember, I love you.
It's like in Philippines. Only in Taiwan. Oh, this is the doggy. Oh, Lucas. Oh, see?
Mon,
Kagatin ka niya. Oh, yan. Naka-video.
Ako dito sa small bridge. Please, here. Jojo, alin na kayo. Alis na tayo.
Jojo.
MTV ito. MTV.
Tawan Beach.
Yes, yes. Come on, come on. Yes, yes.
Wala, mahulog ka to.
Hindi ka ako mahulog.
Dapat tinula ka na lang ng malaglag siya. At ito naman isa, tawa ng tawa. Ayan, si Montagon. Mon Palaboy. Bakit? Laboy ng laboy.
Ito, si Monmon Palaboy.
Ito si Mon, palagi palaboy, palaboy na baboy.
Kami ang mga tatlong baboy.
Busog-busog tang inakain.
Ayan, nagka.
Mga kauyaw. Basta ikot pa.
Yan ang Baisawan Beach.
Yan ang Baisawan Beach. Only in Taiwan.
Laging napapliguan sa Taiwan.
Bye.